Hello, right. This is my first ever YouTube video, and what I will be showing you is how to make the best airplane from paper that you can make ever in the world. So what you will need is one sheet of paper and scissors if you have trouble tearing, or if you just prefer to use scissors like I do. So basically you turn this and crease it how I've done here. So I've come prepared for this. So then you crease it like that, crease it like that, etc. Then you've got this is what you gotta do next. You kinda like crease it in like that. It's a bit tricky, but then you've got something that looks like that, and then you can like put these in to make it a bit pointier. If it's not very pointy, if you see what I've done here, just flatten it out a little bit. Okay, now you get each of these two corners, one at a time, or two if you can really do it, and then same with the other one, and then both of them back down like this. Okay. Then you need to get this bit and fold it down. Like the first time I ever started making these, I really found it really difficult to understand how to make them, if you know what I mean. But now I do it like nearly every day, just to have to have fun, basically, in my life. I don't have a very great life, but I get through it. So then you have something that looks like that, basically. Then you undo them again, and then you do what you just did, but the other way round. And then same with the other side. Now with these creases, it should be a little easier for you to kind of tuck this bit under, and then flop this over like so, and then the same obviously with the other side. Like so. And what you want to do when you have that is flip it, and then with this bit pull it straight back as far as it will go, and then flip it back over, and then because most of this isn't waste, you will need it when you cut this off. Alright, you put it over like that, fold it, etc. Neater than what I do it, because I'm just like roughly doing it to show you guys. You can pause this at any point if you would like, if I'm going a bit too quick, which I think I am. And then you turn it over and then score it again, or whatever, if you tear it. But I don't, because I really can't be bothered to tear, if you know what I mean. But you can just tear it if you want to. Right, so then you have this and this. Right, save this for later. Right, for this bit you have to kind of fold it in half lengthways. Yep. And then about 2/3 of the way down, about that much, you would just cut it a bit, or you could use scissors or just tear it like me. And then with these two, you would just bend these two pieces down like so, and then the other one down. So then you would end up with something that looks like that, as the piece that you teared or used scissors to get off. Yeah. So then you would dip your other piece and fold that in half, right? And like, you know, like flatten it a bit, like crease it, etc. And pull these bits down as hard as you can. Alright, this is, like I say, just a rough copy. Right, so now you've got your basic plane. What you're going to do is flip it over, open it up, and insert this into there, and then flip it again, and then go like that. Right, and there is your basic plane. That's it, done. But if you would like to spice it up a bit, make it look a bit better, if you know what I mean, you could get these wings and flip a bit over, and the same with the other side. This will help glide it when you're throwing it. And if you want to be even more snazzier, this may be a word to call it, you rip it or just tear about about a centimeter down these cuts you just see, both sides, and then point these up. Do so when you go on a plane. Sometimes if you look at the wing, they have a bit that sticks up to make the plane go upwards, because like, yeah. So there you go, there's your plane. Apparently it's the best in the world. Well, have fun testing it and making a billion, and then giving them to your mates, and then letting them throw around and shit like that. Alright, thank you. Please subscribe and add me as a friend if you would like. Thank you.